What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer funds from your Plutus account to your bank account. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock trading or stock market investing, you can create an account with Trading212 using the link from the description below, and once you open your account you will get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. So to do this, you would need to log in into your Plutus account in your browser on your desktop right here. So once you're here on your banking page, or essentially your home page in this case, you would just need to click on the send button right here. And here you would just need to input your banking information. So your first name, your last name, your account number, and you can just call this account whatever you want. For example, let's say primary bank account, and here you would just need to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. Once you did that, you can just click confirm and the transfer will be initiated. So because banks only work on the work days, this transfer can take from 2 to 10 business days. So just keep that in mind. And that's guys how you can transfer some funds from your Plutus account to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.